Buckfire Law.
Hi, I'm attorney Evan Shaw with the Buckfire Law Firm. We specialize in cases involving slip and fall and trip and fall injuries throughout the state of Michigan. After a slip and fall accident, taking immediate action is crucial to preserve your ability to file a claim and maximize your potential compensation. Many property owners may quickly clean up or repair the hazards that cause you to fall, making it difficult to prove negligence later. Here's what you should do immediately after you fall. Seek medical attention. Even if your injuries seem minor, it's important to seek medical attention right away. Not only does this ensure your health is protected, but it also creates a medical record linking your injuries to the accident, which can be crucial in your legal case. Tell the EMS technicians and doctor exactly what caused you to fall. They will often include this information in your medical records. Take photographs and video of the scene. This is very important because the dangerous condition will be repaired or cleaned up shortly after your fall. Photos are the best way to prove that a hazard existed and caused your fall. If you're too injured to do it yourself, then ask a friend or even an eyewitness to do it for you. Fill out an incident report. Notify the property owner or manager immediately and file an incident report if possible. Incident reports provide written documentation of the incident and are sent to the liability insurance company for the property. Be sure to include all important facts, including what caused you to fall and the pain you felt after the fall. Gather witness information. Get the names and phone numbers of any eyewitnesses. Eyewitnesses are needed later if the case goes to court and provide powerful evidence to help win your case. Avoid admitting fault. When reporting the incident, avoid making any statements that might imply you were responsible for your fall. Leave the assessment of fault to your attorney, who can handle the legal aspects of your case. Consult a Michigan slip and fall lawyer. Contact a slip and fall lawyer at Buckfire Law as soon as possible. We will gather additional evidence, such as video surveillance, and demand copies before they are erased. We also hire private investigators and other experts to help prove your case. We win among the top settlements every year in Michigan for clients injured in a slip and fall accident. We do not charge any legal fees unless you win, and it costs no money to start your case.